Let us start with the irrational numbers. Square root to value 1.414213,562. There is no any repetition. Suppose here 1 by 3 is the decimal value is 0.333 is recurring again. The pattern is there. There is no pattern. There is no pattern, no termination, so it is called irrational number. Here is a pattern, 333 repeating, so it has got a pattern and repeating. This is called rational number, this is called irrational number. We have to prove root 2 is an irrational number. How to prove root 2 is an irrational number? Suppose 5 is a factor of 5 is a factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10. Factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10. So we can write down 5 is a factor of 2 into 5. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So 5 is a factor of 10 or 5 is a factor of 2 into 5. Here A is a factor of suppose here 2 is a factor of A. 2 is a factor of A. That means what? This can be written like this. That means 2 is a factor of A. That can be written as A. 2 is a factor of A. 2 is a factor of this one. No, we can written out 2 into C or 2 into M like that. That means 2 into M. Here she can say 5 is a factor of 10. So 5 is a factor of 2 into 5. 2 is a factor of A. 2 is a factor of A, suppose. So 2 is a factor of A. A can be written as 2 into M. That means here also 2, here also 2. No, one extra is there. M is any integer. Here 2 is a factor of A. 5 is a factor. Here also we can write 2 is a factor of 2 into 5. Extra number, no, this is an integer. Here 2 is a factor of 2 into M we can write down. 2 is a factor of A. A can be written in this form, 2 into M. That means 2 into some integer. Integer means what? 2 is a factor of 2 into M means 2 ones are. So M can be 1, M can be 2, M can be 3 like that. First of all, you must understand how to write in this form. Suppose you are writing A is a 2 is a factor of 6. 2 is a factor of 6. That means 2 is a factor of 2 into 3, 2 into M or 2 into C. Any number that this should be an integer. M should be an integer. So 2 is a factor of 2M. 2 is a factor of 2C. Like that we can write down. So here A equal to 2 is a factor of A. Suppose 2 is a factor of A. That means what? 2 is a factor of A into some number. Otherwise 2 into some other number. 2 into M. 2 into C, like that we have to take. First we have to understand this concept. Now next one, let us prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Let us take now, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational. Root 2 irrational. How to prove this one? First let us assume, let us imagine root 2 is an rational. Root 2 is rational number. Root 2 is rational. Root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. Rational number means what? Rational number can be written as, suppose 2 can be written as 2 by 1, where this one should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, co-prime. Co-prime means what? 2 and 5 are co-prime. They have no factors other than 1. So they are called co-prime. 2 has a 2 in fact 1 is a factor of 2. Again 1 is a factor of 5. This is called co-prime. Root 2 is a rational number. Rational number means what? It can be written as in the form of a by b. B not equal to 0. And a and b are co-prime. Rational number means a and b are co-primes. B are co-primes. B and are co-primes. Root 2 can be written, suppose rational means in this form. Already we have learnt. Rational number means can be written in the form of a by b. B not equal to 0. A by b rational means both are co-prime. Now squaring both sides, otherwise b root 2. B root 2 cross multiply b root 2 equal to a. Squaring both sides, write down here squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, what do you get? Squaring both sides, what do you get? B square 2b square equal to a square. 2b square equal to a square. That means what? We can say a squared, 2 is a divisor of a squared. 2 is a factor of, we can say 2 is a factor of, 2 is a factor of a squared. 2 is a factor of a squared. That means what? That means what? 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a. Here suppose a square equal to 2b square. Two numbers are there. Suppose here 25 equal to 5 into 5. So 5 is a factor of 25. 5 is a 25. 5 is a factor of 25. Otherwise 5 square. 5 is a factor of 5 square and 5 is a factor of 5 also. Like that. Here 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a. Now next means what? Now factor of a means this has, we can write down like this. A, that means we can take a equal to 2m. 2m. Why we take a equal to 2m? 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a. And multiples of 2 also factor of a. Any integer. What integer? Maybe 1 only. 1 only. Here 1 only. 1, 2 are 2. A equal to 2m. A squared equal to what will come now? A squared equal to 4m squared. A squared equal to 4m squared. A squared equal to 4m squared. Now come here now. A squared equal to 4m squared. A squared a equal to 2m. Why we have taken now? A is a 2 is a factor of a. That's why a equal to, let's take 2m. M is an integer. M is an integer. M is an integer. So a squared equal to, already we have taken a squared equal to 2b squared. So a squared equal to what? 4m squared. 4m squared equal to 2b squared. Substitute here now. It's called, you can say this is 1. Here 4m squared equal to 2b squared. Here we can 2 into 2m squared equal to 2b squared. Again we can take now 2 we can cancel now. 2 we can cancel. 2 we can cancel. Here 2m squared equal to b squared. That means what? 2 is a factor of b squared. Again implies what now? 2 is a factor of b also. First here 2 is a factor of a, here 2 is a factor of b, which is a 1 and this is 2 we can say. From 1 and 2 we can say a and b has got a common factor 2. So irrational number means they must not have common factor. other than 1, which leads to from 1 and 2, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Thank you.